All right, I got a couple minutes here before the walkthrough. Just lease this unit out. This is for a client. They've got about a half a dozen of these. They're nice condos near Mall of America and easy to rent, very low vacancy. I'll give you a quick tour of this one. This one's $18.50 a month. So it's got washer dryer inside the unit. Got a full bath here. And we got a nice one bedroom unit here. Heat's included with the rent. Nice kitchen, granite countertops. Little wine cooler or wine refrigerator. Got your living room. Got some stuff for the renter here. Little porch. And you can exit out there, and then the parking's out there. This includes 2 underground spots with a car wash below. These are great little units. They're real easy to rent. It's usually a waiting list. I think we had 30 people inquire on this one. And a bunch of people wanted to make application, but we can only take one at a time. So, and then the shower and the master bath. And that's the walk-in closet. So, great units, easy to manage, easy to rent, so steady income. The best part is there's always demand for these, so when you want to exit, there's a waiting list of buyers to get into these. So it's all location, location, location.